doing in there? What are you doing? Hey Gabs, we are about to set off for our third day in Wales. Coco is waiting for MJ. Just waiting for her to come out so that we can leave. We had to wait here while all the sheep went past. They were going to go into their new home, into their new field. Look how fast they're running. And they go straight past the car. We found a really cool place to eat. We're inside this little hut. Say hi MJ. Hi MJ. She's not funny, is she? And then the Coco's not allowed indoors, so she has to be outdoors. But we get to be under this really cool hut that has a heater that's not on. Okay, so we have worked out how to get here. Well, MJ did all the high work. She reached up and she stretched with her arm. And now we're all warm. Thanks, MJ. Look at this. Sausage. I don't know what that is. Hey Gabs, we are here for the sunset. As you can tell, it's very windy. Very windy. Look. MJ found this really cool mushroom. He was also watching the sunset. What a fun guy. We're home now after seeing that beautiful sunset. We're going to warm up by the fire and then go to bed. Good night, babies. Good night, babies. Love you. Love you.